Oil prices don't move because of news. They move because something physical has already changed.
And today that physical change is visible from space. Oil prices depend on demand and supply, but the data confirming this demand and supply is backward looking. Inventory reports are snapshots which are taken after the activity has happened and they compile week or days later.
Markets don't wait for snapshots, they respond to what's changing right now.
Current physical activity already becomes data much before it becomes a headline. Oil is mostly stored in circular tanks with floating roofs. They rise as oil is added and sink down as oil is removed. Satellites don't need to see inside these floating roofs. Instead, they capture the shadow cast by these floating roofs. Using shadow length, sun angles, and algorithms, geometry, and using AI, they estimate how full a tank is, and this is done across thousands of tanks globally.
When satellite data shows tanks are filling faster, that means there's an oversupply, which leads traders to sell oil future contracts.
Tanks quietly draw down, it means that supply tightens. Traders build long positions often days before the inventory records are released.
But it doesn't stop just at storage tanks. These same traders count satellite containers at port using AI, track vessel movements with satellite and AIS data, and use radar satellites that can see through clouds. They combine this with refinery patterns, weather, and seasonal trends to see how energy is actually moving.
This data provides visibility into supply and demand for the hedge funds long before it is publicly confirmed.
IEA reports lower crude inventories this week.
Well, that report just explained a move that has already happened.
So, institutions reacted to the signal.
And retail reacts to the headline. If trade already happens before the reports come out, then when you trade listening to the news, are you trading based on information or just a justification for moves that have already taken place?